Hello. Just wanted to give a shout out to Dinny Collins and Crypto for Dinny. I hadn't got a clue about crypto about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, and I came across Dinny and I started looking at his videos. I then booked a one-to-one consultation with him, and he showed me exactly about crypto, about Bitcoin, the value of it, where it's going to go in the future, what it actually is, how it's a software, and a lot more. And now, me personally, I have hope for the future, and I have some insurance because I've worked for over, say, 35 years, and I was just wondering, like, I could see everything kind of falling apart, and I didn't really see a great future, but now I have a lot of hope, and I'd highly recommend anybody to have a look at Dinny's course and book a one-to-one consultation, and you won't be disappointed. It'll be the best investment you ever make in yourself and in your life, and I truly believe that, because he's changed my life for the better, and he can change yours as well. So big shout out to Dinny, and just jump in and do his have a consultation with him anyway. What have you got to lose, you know? Right? Over and out.